Hey, ever wish you could keep some of your Apple books a bit more private? Well, I've got you back. I've got your back. In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to hide books in the Apple Books app on your iPhone. So without wasting any time, let's get started. First of all, launch the Books app on your iPhone, then go to your library. Now, tap on the three dots under the book that you want to hide. Next, tap on Remove from the pop-up menu. Now just tap on Hide Book, and it will be hidden. If you want to unhide it, tap on Home. Then tap the profile icon from the upper right corner of the screen. Next, tap Manage Hidden Purchase. Then enter your account's password and sign in. And here you will find all the hidden books. Just tap on Unhide next to their name and hit the Done button to unhide them. So guys, that's how you hide books in the Apple Books app on your iPhone. If you enjoyed the video and want to see more, don't forget to like and subscribe. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.